Hey angels, welcome back. For those who don't know, my name is Michelle Fontaine Jones and I'm the CEO and founder of Curls and Potions. We're going to go ahead and continue with the series that we started about our Aretha line, and the last few videos, just check them back. We went over the rice water, we went over the deep repair mask, we went over the Angel's Miracle Growth Serum. So today, what we're going to jump right into is the Growth and Restore Shampoo. I know shampoo is one of these subjects that some of us seem to run from. Believe this or not, I have a lot of customers who do not shampoo their hair. Well, let's put it like customers before they were real customers, because once they convert over, they start to shampoo their hair. I don't understand it. It's literally like walking around with a dirty body every day. I even met one person who doesn't shampoo their hair like once a month, once every 2 months, and was saying how products don't work for her hair and everything, and her hair is always dry. Light bulb? Insert light bulb. You need to clean your hair. So with our Growth and Restore Shampoo, when I tell you this is one of the most mild shampoos that is going to give you cleansing, but it's not going to strip your hair. It's not going to dry it. And that's because of the way that we created the product. So the basis of the product is using, obviously, Ayurveda herbs. And one of the main herb being amla's in there. We have Shikakai, we have Brahmi, we have Aretha. And these are Aretha, Shikakai, are known for their cleansing. I mean, immediately, it's a powder form. And once it hits water, you start to see the saponification, which would be the suds. So let's jump in. So one of the top ingredients in there, and I know anybody who is into natural herbs and Ayurveda knows that amla is a powerhouse. I do believe I might have mentioned amla in one of the other videos with one of the other products. Not really sure, but amla is such a natural way to help with premature graying of the hair. It has antifungal and antiviral properties. It helps to prevent dandruff and other fungal infections. So this is something that you really want to see in your shampoo. You really want to get that cleansing in, and you want to have those antifungal, antiviral properties so that it does keep the hair follicles clean. One of the next best ingredients for me personally that I absolutely love, and I believe I'm saying it correctly, and if I'm not, someone will correct me and it's fine, but I like to say Shikakai. I think that's how you say it. But when I tell you this is a natural astringent, it enhances the binding properties for your hair. It helps to clean away dandruff on the scalp. It's a natural conditioner for your hair as well, which is another reason why this is such an amazing shampoo. I'm telling you, it's conditioning all the way through. Shikakai also helps to strengthen your hair, and it also helps with growth. So you really cannot go wrong even just with the amla and the Shikakai. The third ingredient that we're going to talk about, and this is in no order of favorites because they all are amazing, which would be Aretha. Aretha is also great for dandruff, so it's excellent for your scalp. And when you combine Aretha with Shikakai, now you're getting this amazing cleansing astringent product that is great for sensitive scalps. So this together, I mean, they create a powerhouse, because Aretha is also known as soap nut. So it's a natural soap nut, which is why you get the saponification once it hits water. Basically, you start to see suds. So combining all three of these ingredients together really, really gives you a foundation of a shampoo that is going to be non-drying. It's going to condition your hair, and it's not going to strip you of your natural oils. And that is what I was aiming for. You can use this. It will give you a mild to medium soaping effect. I know some people feel like the more suds they see, the cleaner the hair is, and that's actually not true, because those suds it's detergent, right? But we're so conditioned to see, oh, we see more suds, we're cleaner. That's not true. So you're gonna see somewhere in the middle of it. So it's gonna set up, but it's not gonna be I don't know, I can't think of the shampoos. There's certain shampoos that, I mean, you just put the only thing I can compare it to is like Dawn dish soap, right? You take a little Dawn dish soap and you got suds for days. I'm not saying you're gonna get that, but you will see some sudding if that's something that you live for. But it's great on color treated hair for all hair types, for all porosity levels, whatever way you want to swing this pendulum. It is scented with lemongrass, orange essential oil, and a bit of peppermint, just like the rest of the products in the line. You can love or hate it, but lemongrass was picked for a reason, and there is a personal reason as to why I picked that scent. We also have some other ingredients in there as well that are pretty great. You can check that out on our website. The shampoo is sold on curlsandpotions.com, walmart.com, and it is included in our growth bundle that we sell currently on amazon.com. It is a great deal that you're getting when you get the shampoo and the deep repair mask along with our scalp potion, which we'll talk about in later videos if that's something you're interested in. As far as it being sold individually on Amazon, it may in the future be up there. We're just kind of doing one thing at a time here. So please go check it out on the website. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Hit us up on social media. Whatever you want to do, send us an email, wherever you want to reach out to us if you have any questions. And until the next video, I'll see you later, angels. Bye.